President Duterte felt deceived by Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano when the lawmaker did not honor the term-sharing agreement with Marinduque Representative Lord Allan Velasco. Velasco revealed this in an interview on ANC's Head Start. A day after meeting with Duterte and Velasco in Malacanang, Cayetano offered to resign on September 30. However, 184 lawmakers rejected it. Velasco insisted that Cayetano step down on October 14, the last session day before Congress goes on a month-long break. However, on October 6, Cayetano suspended House session until November 16 after approving the budget bill on second reading. He did this as an apparent move to prevent attempts to unseat him on October 14.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.